Sugar Wugas, what's up? I'm back at y'all again with another video. Anyway, I'm gonna just pray and get it started right away, okay? All right, God's great, God's good. Amen. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I do another video. Also, if you always stop by, thank you. Thank you for always coming by, showing Sugar Mama some love, okay? Today, you guys, I am doing Sofis crepes. It's a crepe. Last time, I had the Godfather, okay? I had the Godfather. See? And this time, I got, they called it the Kevin Bacon. You know, the actor, Kevin Bacon. Yeah, because he been in there for a few times, so that's why they named a crepe after him. This one has, oh my God, it has cheddar, turkey, bell peppers, bacon, Thousand Island dressing. I got avocado put on there, and of course spinach. It's really huge. Look at this. As I eat it, you're supposed to tear it. Y'all see how big that is? This is huge. Well, she gave me some napkins. I had to make sure I have napkins, man, because this is, no. So I'm supposed to keep that up like that, and I'm supposed to tear it as I bite and eat it, right? Oh my God. This is so good. This is so good. It really is. They make it easy for you to hold, I guess, you know. Yes. Yo, I don't know, this is good. See, think about it. This is my first time having it. Sorry for the lighting, y'all. It is good. Now, like I said, it already came with the turkey, the tomatoes, the cheddar, Thousand Island dressing. But I added all the other stuff, the bell peppers, the spinach, the avocado, the bacon. Oh, and bacon came on it. But I added the avocado and the spinach and stuff. Y'all better go get y'all a crepe. Don't sleep on it, because this is good. Look at that. Look at that. That's good, isn't it? It's so dreary outside today, y'all. One of those days, you know. Days. Ooh. You gotta drink something. And cream soda. Cream soda. Excuse me, y'all. I just like the bottle. It was fancy. Woo. Yes, that was good. Excuse me. Excuse me. Take a couple more bites. So, whew, I can get into my shout outs. Ooh, yeah. I brought them with me, y'all. Got my notes. So, and see how you do it? You get the paper, you just tear it down like that. So it won't be just a mess, you know? Okay, listen. So y'all better take a bite. Look at that. Yes. This is filling. Woo, I must say, it's filling. And then I'm smashing like somebody gonna take it from me. Why I gotta be acting like that? I ain't eat all day. Look up. It's a little after 4 Eastern time. See, that helped. Gave me room. Push it over. Something. I mean, it's like refreshing, like, you know, it looks like it's a lot, but it's like light. It feels light, you know, on your stomach. You don't make it, like right now I'm full. But I always get full fast. You know? Turkey is good. It's roasted turkey. I can finish this, y'all. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna take one more bite and I'm gonna get into my shout out time. Shout out. Actually, I've been craving this for a minute though. Try a different type that I had last time. If y'all go check that video out, the last one I had, it was like a I would say it was like a pizza one. And that was sweet. This thing $3. I was like, that's some serious cream y'all put in that soda. It does the job though. Alright, look. My first shout out. Let me hold this right here in case y'all real hungry while I'm talking. I can be like, no, I'm not going to do that. But anyway, my first shout out. I would like to say thank you so much for coming by, just stopping by, just saying a few words, commenting and all that. I really, really appreciate you. Okay, the first one is, the name is PeaceAndEats. Excuse me, PeaceAndEats. PeaceAndEats. It should be popping up right there. Thank you so much for the support. I really, really, really appreciate it. I really, really do. Thank you again, okay? All right, let me take a bite. I ain't got to act like that. I like that. See? Wait a minute. Oh no! Can't have it dripping on me now. You see me? Keeping it careful. I want it to drip. My second shout out goes to Sandman Food is Life. He always come by. He's always stopping by. He does. And I really, really appreciate you for always stopping by and showing Sugar Mama love. I really, really appreciate it. And you should be popping up too. Sugar Wugas, please, if you're watching this right now and you're still with me, please go over to their channels if you're already not subscribed to their channel. Show them some love, you know. We all have to stick together. I know I'm not big, but like I always say, everything counts. Any little bit counts. I always say that, right? Let me take the bite. Juicy. Juicy, juicy, juicy. My third shout out goes to, I think they're new to my channel because I'm not, you know, because they came by and they stopped by and I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you so much for showing Sugar Mama love. I really, really, really appreciate you stopping by. Okay? And that is Logical One. Logical One. You should be popping up right here. And I thank you so much for showing Sugar Mama some love. I really, 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 really appreciate it. Yo, I ain't got a little piece left and I'm so full, man. That was big. Wow. I'm big. I'm struggling. I am struggling. They make me burp every time. Huh? Yeah. Why do I always gotta struggle? Excuse me, y'all. All right. I'm done. I can't do the rest, y'all. I'm done. Oh, that was huge. That was huge. That was huge, y'all. That's gonna hold me over for a minute. That was really, really good. If y'all around a Sofis, Sofis. I hope I'm saying it right, but I'm gonna show you that Sofis. That's how I say it. Sofis. But anyway, it's really good. And I highly suggest, if you haven't tried it, please go try it. Find a crepe place and just try it. Okay, my sugar wugs, I'm about to let you go if you already didn't let me go. Okay? Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, comment, share, show everybody what I'm doing over here on this channel. Okay? You know I gotta leave y'all with a big old sugar mama hug. See you on my next video.